guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal Mahadi. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you guys so much for viewing. For today's look, we're going to be creating this grungy, smoky situation. So this is going to be a part of my ABH series. For this look, I used the Soft Glam Anastasia palette. This is like one of my favorite palettes. There's a lot of like neutrals and warm tones, which is like right up my alley. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look. If you want to see how I created it, stay tuned. Hi guys, so for today's video we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This is what it looks like. If you love neutrals and warm tones, this is a great palette. Really nice everyday palette, you know. So I have no idea what I'm doing today, but let's just hope for the best, okay? Okay, so first going in with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0.5 to prime. Okay, so I'm first gonna go in the shade Mulberry, and I'm gonna put that on the outer edge of my eye and the inner corner of my eye. Okay, so now I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm gonna lightly blend. And we want to try to leave the center of the eyelid like blank. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Noir, and I'm gonna put that right where we placed the Mulberry. But I'm not gonna take it up too high. I'm just gonna put a little bit just to like darken what we already have. And you want to kind of place it like in the center, so you could go back in and like blend the Mulberry and the Noir together, you know what I mean? It's so hard like filming with a phone because I can't, like, I have to film with a mirror in front of me, so I can make sure that I'm recording and that I'm centered and all that good stuff. Okay, so now I'm going back in with Mulberry, and I'm gonna try to kind of blend the black and the brown together. Okay, so now for the center, I'm gonna go in with Sultry. Is it Sultry? Yeah, it's this one. And I'm gonna wet my brush a little bit. and all you see this face, all you know, bitch is feeling this look. Sometimes I feel like the unplanned makeup looks the best. Okay, so now I just going in with a black gel liner to line my lash line. Okay, moving on to skin, I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier foundation primer. This is the hydrating one. Okay, and y'all already know I'm going in with the L'Oreal Lumi Glow Lotion. Okay, now going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger. To color correct these marks. Okay, so foundation, I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix Soft Matte Foundation Stick. And I'm only going in on the areas where I need extra coverage, so on my cheeks, around my chin, my forehead, my upper lip. My whole face, basically. Might as well, right? Okay, so to contour, I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix Perfecting Stick in the shade NW45. Okay, now to highlight, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Light Medium. Set in with Laura Mercier under my eyes. Okay, now I'm going in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. Okay, it's a brand's Caramel Cutie. Okay, so now I'm taking a little bit of the Caramel Cutie and I'm gonna put it right here. I don't know what it's called, this like your nose bridge. Okay, we're gonna fix it. BRB. Y'all know that TikTok that goes like, hold up, we ain't never did that before. Why you think today was the day? That's what's playing in my mind right now. Okay, so for blush, we're going to make Ginger Pop from Clinique. Okay, and now we're going in with this one from MAC. Still cannot pronounce it. Hot damn. That one. Okay, so now going back in with Sultry, and we're going to put that just on the center of the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going in with the Shiseido Ink Stroke eyeliner again, and I'm going to put that in my waterline. And I need to get close, you guys, because okay, now I'm gonna spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Satin Mist. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going in with Whisper of Guilt by MAC. Okay, for lips, I'm going in with Cork by MAC. Okay, now I'm going in with Sis by MAC. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I am obsessed. Super gorge. Very grungy, very smoky. I really like that the inner tear up is not very tailored. It's just very, like, you know, messy and grungy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you want to come back and vibe. Bye guys.